Falls, big city wishes. It seems like everybody in this town is dirty snitches. Twin Falls, gotta ride high. Cause if you don't, then your rep may die. 42,000 final fast. Watch out, little homies, these G's may blast. Twin Falls, big city wishes. It seems like everybody in this town is dirty snitches. Twin Falls, gotta ride high. Cause if you don't, then your rep may die.
Welcome to one of the shittiest towns in the world, full of idiot people who say, I don't care what other people think of me, but then the only thing they really care about is what others think of them. And mostly white people, small enough to where everyone knows everyone, home of one of the greatest junior colleges in America, CSI, and try to go out of state with a degree from there and see how much work they got for you. A town where money can buy anything. Now get off the bench and get off the team. If you're not rich or handsome, you can't play sports no matter how athletic you may be. A place where dreams are crushed because someone knows someone else. A fair chance never given in this part of southern out of hell. Considered a big town, there ain't nothing to do but get down, drink and get high. Sadly for a town for this size, the girls are anything but attractive. Still affluent because they're part of the Mormon church and their dad's rich.
Damn it, I told you to clean the fucking car, now we're getting pulled over. Fuck.
Twin Falls, big city wishes. It seems like everybody in this town is dirty snitches. Twin Falls, gotta ride high. Cause if you don't, then your rep may die. 42,000 final fast. Watch out, little homies, these G's may blast. Twin Falls, big city wishes. It seems like everybody in this town is dirty snitches. Twin Falls, gotta ride high. Cause if you don't, then your rep may die.
Heard my name was spread across town. He said, she said, look who's Satan now. Gorilla pulls you over for nothing at all. Makes it feel white and 10 feet tall. Eat the spoon, grab yourself a needle, it's okay. Here everyone's equal. We're your closest friends, join the banner. Then that quick to turn around and stab ya. Look into the mirror, that's an image of inferior. Living here you fall into the rush, but at certain points it gets too much. Hey Dudley, how you like me now? Watch my words make your tall ass bow down. Everyone here is rocking pit bulls, broken down rice burners, no tools, bumpers and hoods in the front yard. But one day, homie, that car will be hard. Careful who you talk to, no stuck up in your business. I like to call them nosy ass snitches. Can't have heart to heart with anyone, cause it's still frozen. And everyone here is all knowing. But always remember this, never listen to a Twin Falls bitch.
Twin Falls, big city wishes. It seems like everybody in this town is dirty snitches. Twin Falls, gotta ride high. Cause if you don't, then your rep may die. 42,000 final fast. Watch out, little homies, these G's may blast. Twin Falls, big city wishes. It seems like everybody in this town is dirty snitches. Twin Falls, gotta ride high. Cause if you don't, then your rep may die.
A place where style doesn't exist, but one can still be considered stylish by shopping at American Eagle, Zoomies, or the Buckle, no shit. But out here, brands like Lucky, Tap Out, and Fox are actually okay to wear.
And Jimmy cracks corn, but nobody cares, cause they'd be the first to pull the closest chair and try to replicate clothing that they see on TV. But then it's cool around here to be Mr. Preppy.
And it ain't where you're from or where you're at, it's where you're going, and I'm going to jail. Just got my ticket in the mail, stuck on this probation paper trail, and it won't get better. I just failed my drug and alcohol assessment at the Walker Center.
Even worse, you can't have a new start. All my exes met at the skate park, devising plans to ruin my rep. Telling all to have me watch my step, looking for me, I ain't hard to find. Shit, I'll throw up a bat sign.
Shit, that was my cue to start. Something about a DUI?
That's right, I was going around, only thing to brag about in this town.
Cops are fucking everywhere, everyone is scared, they don't even care. Just got pulled over for being sober, and you better not make that turn unless you use your blinker first.
Oh hell, who you gonna tell? Nobody's gonna listen, everything's corrupted in this division.
Can I see your license, registration, and proof of insurance? You know why I pulled you over, sir?
Not really, as my
Your car is dirty, and you're driving around at 2 in the morning.
Well, I'm the DD.
Why is the passenger asleep?
He's passed out.
Stay here for a moment.
Okay. What the hell is he trying to... I don't know what we did.
Dispatch, I need some information on 2T. I don't give a shit.
Back on 2T, I don't give a shit. Registered to a Mr. Confused. No warrants. Go ahead and bring him in.
That's a big 10-4. Over. Hold on. Really want to know again, please? You look a little nervous. Please step out of the car and walk this line for me. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for having a dirty car and driving with a passenger that's falling asleep, and he looks obviously drunk, and it's past your curfew. Let's go. We'll be back for him when he wakes up. Dispatch, I got a possible drunk driver, drug trafficker. We're bringing him into home base here. We'll be there in about 10. Over.
Thank you. Received.